Hi guys, this is Matilda of Having Fun with Matilda Grace. And this is my sewing machine and I'm going to put it together.
This sewing machine was recommended for beginners.
You want your thing to be designed like that, or like that, or like that. But we want it normal. We're making pants.
This is Emma, Matilda's cousin, who will be sewing with Matilda, making pants too. This machine will help you make buttonholes too. Here, Emma is showing you the different types of stitches that the machine does. This knob is to make the stitches longer or shorter. So we're going to start over. Let's move. Remember, you move this big wheel around. Oops, sorry. To try to get this so that it will pull out more. Now try pulling it out. It'll pull out better. Now your scissors are over there.
Taking a snack break. Keep that in mind. She's dead.
So I'm showing the girls how to lay it out, and we've laid it out. Now they're putting straight pins in through the pattern to the fabric to hold it in place. This here adjusts the height of the needle. This is where you plug it in, and the on and off button. Now we turned it off.
Look at the light.
There's a little light for you, so you can see the stitches. Yeah, this is called a seam ripper. So if you made a mistake with the seam you put in, you use that little pointed part, put it up under the thread. We're gonna make these pants. So we found it, elastic 1 inch yard, 7/8 of a yard. So it's about 1 yard. Okay, when those are done, then we can take it out and dry it and then cut out our pants.
We are penning it to the cloth so when we cut it, it doesn't move. You like green? Yeah. Isn't it green? Everyone likes green. I love green. So I love red. Here are pins. I like blue because it's like ours. Oh, here's the pins. Oh, that's cool. That's not my favorite color. I like this color. This color and pinning it down so it won't move. Yeah.
Okay, Emma, I'll let you cut first. So Emma and Matilda are both going to make some fuzzy pajama pants. Here we have laid the pattern down. We pinned it down with straight pins, and now they're going to cut the pants out so that we can sew them together.
Okay, I need help with that part.
Here, what Matilda is doing is there is a little clip where you clip your fabric so that when you are sewing the pieces together, it helps you to match it so that you get it straight when you sew.
Easy. But then how do you take it off? That's a cool one.
How'd you get them all picked up?
With the magnet.
Oh, did the magnet help?
Ow.
Good idea.
I think the magnet. Magnets are magic.
So this machine is nice because once you put the thread on, it shows you what to do first with the
What do I
thread.
do?
So this is number 1,
Again? I forgot.
2. Okay.
What do I do? Do I go this way?
Yeah, did you go the back? Okay.
Yeah, I already did 3 now.
Oh,
I
you did 3, and now
I
for
go
4.
around.
Oh, look, you have to put this little thing up. Wait, that. You want to go behind that, and then 5, go on down. And then there's this little thing right here you have to go behind.
Needle thing.
And now you thread it into the needle there.
Into that hole.
Did you get it, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it into that hole.
Yeah, see the eye of the needle down there, the hole?
Yes. I
Yeah.
hate this part. Now. He's at Randy's house. Nova!
I'm gonna call him now.
Stay with my kids. I'll get it done one step. Now. You gave me a heart, but the very next day you forget. Where's the scissors? Where are the scissors? Oh, scissors. I have scissors.
So one thing I like to do is we're gonna iron down that waistband.
You're gonna mess mine up.
And then we're gonna press these seams down so that it looks neat. So we're letting the iron warm up.
Yeah, I think it's ready.
So we're pressing down the hem for the legs to sew that. We're working on the waist of our pajama bottoms.
Little face. I am a lady. Looks like it's just gonna go faster and faster and faster. I learned slower than Matilda.
Here, they're hemming the legs.
Now, how do I do Oh no, mine's clogging. Acting weird.
Oh, pull it a little bit. Yeah, okay.
It's not working.
Now, sometimes it does get a little clogged and you have a lot of thread there, but just cut it all out and start over.
Scissors. There are some scissors.
Now, sometimes it does get a little clogged and you have a lot of thread there, but just cut it all out and start over.
Scissors. There are some scissors.